Ebusuafo, mami mo bibia kwa ba enfambra GCN page so mesro na wa subscribe to my channel na wodo nsa emia bell no so ubenya notification ene sa ne news e de betum bia ubenye bi atie anase ubenye bi ahwe ewo GCN page ha bidin e de adwoa searchim Vim lady efia pokia ena okase na ode afutu ena ode ema omanpenida da His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na ede afutu ena efia pokia ede ema nensema okena ne se nyame eya dom na omanpenida da His Excellency John Dramani Mahama etumi enwini eye 2024 election ye de ye nimi ya o make sure say ndwuma pa omanpeni eye His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo abeye dia moman Ghana titiri pa eye 1D1F no onto aso se ne beye a adwuma bekoso ewo omanyimu na youth ni nso no enya adwuma aye ewo omanyimu na efia pokua de nti okasa yi na omo eye discussion efa adwuma eni omanyimu a youth no ebrene no na efia pokua ekyerese NPP fokra do mo yade kakra na ba ye 1D1F ekoso nti so omanpeni dada etumi ewi ni 2024 election na onto aso na de nti efia pokua kasa yi na me ya we say it's obvious say 2024 NDC for omo flag bearer ebeye omanpeni dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ebia ebi mo no be contest but I think so no be win nti na efia pokua etumi edisa efutuwe ama omanpeni dada say so owini na oba adwuma pa na do beye no onto aso na sem say na efia pokua de etudwa.
2. Apprenticeship, construction, tourism, sports as key sectors that can offer increased employment opportunity for Ghanaian youth. World Bank reporting, we are rocket science. But the entire maker say, let's give credit to Bia Kakra, although we are borrowing be and this NPP have filled us. So if unemployment rate at 12.1%, every year Bia nipa beka from universities, poly, any tertiary institutions, I can't idea omunya juma teacher training ade. About 6%. Every year, Bia baby and this in MPP wickedness. I'm timid from some wicked. A brony bay, Mudia Momaba, now Mudia Mako do Dubai, Mudia Mako school, I can say, or London. Now, here for the idea. If you are increasing who creative jobs, to grab 3% every year, 3% every year. On to me, maybe at least the annual unemployment rate of a year first is 6%. Now, say, oh, half and cross, oh, yeah, 3% job creation. Ekagana nkonanim but wickedness inti ehia for ma de omuni obi obeka ma omunti na monko amafa so and I have the mpenifo here and omu chem say omu kra mo ye unemployed no dodo na yo omu di between first saying 1 in every 3 youths be employed na no kra pak 1 in every 3 youths abranti for Ghana boys and girls be youth no say teenagers need 20s 30s now emu 3 bia no 1 unemployed by employment enya papa bia enya adwuma ye ditua social security enya adwuma ochene betimi do akọ pension ati for crown to me nko pension asomdwe mu na wo a wo ye kpakpakpa movement ahe na obedi ahe na obesevi ahe na ode betua school fees ahe na ode betua chop money ahe na ode betua kanea ahe na ode betua nsuo na ahe na ode betua lorry fare na ya tum no. This is a bread and butter issue. But me there, they be ameka say Ghana penifo no ye wicked, but youth na Ghana mu ye wicked chain penifo no. You people have allowed this. The youth ye catch them some ye more agree. Me say me wafuo. Monko, me nwa be man na ya kesi o wafuo. But yen Ghana youth obi ape office kokoti immigration for them. Mambo video ni chiro. And nay immigration for but no me ne abranche bako. Ye ba Kingsley Morty. O chra de o chest statistics o university of America. Professor Emmanuel Yauvi Bobobi or no such that the KNUST. Any penny for kuku dam ni unianum Ghana for will come and join into where is the solution? Mokasa Ghana for penny for tie. Na prof there, na dan for crowns on a Minister of Agri. I ask some inventions where ya prof which say banche a gold banche ye gold and Ghana the wicked. Yet now Casapreco de banche yensa and Casapreco ton the whole West Africa. Casapreco is one of the biggest industries. Into the American, you see, President Kufuor a garment and textile factory, or a year friend saying Agoa, a OCC factory, so free zones near de. Obia buy no creative 3% they say omoye 1D1F. E come kwa President Mama, who to me back 2024. 1D1F, you must continue. You must continue the 1D1F. So when him now the bad politics and I trust President Mama, I know he will continue. Because this is how we can create jobs. This is how we are creating jobs. Wow. NDC, NPP politics are massa. In 2035, which is what World Bank is predicting, 50% of the youth, Ghana, homecoming, Ghana, 2019 before COVID, Shesika de buy year of return is Shesika de Begu Ghana economy. It's in Penifon Munjai GDP, brofa Kesiano, Yerakano Foyata. The next time I'll be parliament, I'll be can brofa Kesiani, the Wasuya Beasheno. Start translating Sabrofa Kesian into jobs. Start translating it into jobs. Create the jobs. Because who not here for the next 4 years? Yen to me, my youth, what am I yampo? No, began any this year pa neba. I feel no court rotting. Ewo airport. And sana when ye Juma Kakrai. I mean, what kind of nation is this? What kind of nation is this? O my webeman nemba. Akwa jogging, yakofa soldier for no mugum bebre, yakofa police for no mugum bebre. They were all over the place. What I say, everybody is looking for opportunities. Say, na brabo betimi etumpo so wenya baby a wode befa. There are no jobs anywhere. No jobs anywhere. And I'm not telling my ba when you know. Oba wie university, or university for now honey adwuma ti omo ba no mbekwa free SHS nkwala enyi no mu wie university no mba mo kwa. Where are they going? That's the big
2020. Ghana. Yes, I understand you. That's a kind damn say at that time we were close to elections and I'm a so can for only electoral purposes say be for election fortunes say yam to abamanoa and community says so best have view.
They say 88 district hospitals. Agenda 111.
Yes, Omampani Kasa here afresh no. O catch and say yetimi who say 88 districts ewo omem hanomo a only ayaresabia into obesi 88. And watching who say you create another 16 regions. I say only regional hospitals. And watching who say regions ni bi na hospitals ni bi wo no say dey ye pagya ondibiremu. And no na yakabo mu abedu agenda 111.
And at least mampanyi ba kumpo want me anwie kra me anka so at least o kan ye no what me sha sia ba ko ana mienu bi what me aye.
Mami bi ama me no mi no ti had mu. Unim pefe say the wanka sa to asase so be si dan po a. E ho hyehyeye no anamontu a ubetu eni ba bi a obefa ansa obenya asase ne kra no. Enya asem e defom ana meboa. Ana meboa na.
Enya aban.
Aban so ewo challenge san say aban otumi so obeji asase ba asase ya nananom dia otumi sori prekope enka chen say me na me ya aban itimi hia asase we fama me da bi esa wanfa ni die ni obuo eden amma nananom atrenkunua enu nti na wo hwe a emere son ya okoko kate so do say afi die emere son na niema nina agu akwam say die me kan ye no mi wogidie say mesua bibi afri yare e beto ye oman mu hanom tani o trading pon yankopon ana behwe Ghana etie yensu frɛ na ka yade ebufa so sɛ de bufa so wɔ amanone Italy ne Spain ni ade a enka ebe hina ka yefa enti saa na tie de a ebra so sɛ yɛsɛ etimi bie yakwaban mu eninti no the health sector no ewom sɛ meyɛ bi leso meyɛ sɛ meyɛ na sɛ daachi bi yɛnka sɛ emra wo azumi without admitting sɛ bibi kura esi a yɛtimi aso ano enti ahoboabo a me mayɛ nie enunti na nananom atrankonuafo a won sase wuru anom ye won dia no exercise they should be part of the system